clouds and forest fountains, home along the lanes of the skyway. For this dark and lonely room projects a shadow